Hello everyone, welcome to another video of my channel. Today we'll be talking about another DSA problem. Its title is Remove Element and its LeetCode problem number is 27. It says we'll be given an integer array and another integer. What we will have to do is we'll need to remove all the occurrence of the given integer from the array. This can be thought in this way, like say the total number of elements in the array is k excluding the given integer. So we need to make sure is the first k elements in the array doesn't have any given value, the value provided in it. Let's try to solve this problem. What we can do is like we can traverse the whole array and check for each element whether this is equal to the given value. If not, then we can keep replacing the current index with the given value. Now the thing is that in order to track the total number of those values which are not equal to the given value, we need to introduce another variable. So the solution becomes this way. We initialize the given variable, say I, to 0, and now we start looking through the array with say another variable, say j. Now if number j, that means the jth index of the array, is not equal to the value, at this very point we are interested to put that value which is not equal to the given value to the ith index of the number array, and then we simply increment the value of the I variable. In this way we keep traversing the whole array till its end, and at last what we do is simply return the value of the variable, that is I. So since in every loop when the condition was satisfied, after assigning the value to the ith index, we were incrementing the value of I. So at the end of the loop, we say if the value of I is 4, at the end of the loop it will be 5. And if we have a close look at this solution, we can see that its time complexity will be big O of n. And if we think about the space complexity, it will be constant. I hope you have understood this problem and its solution approach. If you find this video helpful, please keep sharing. Thank you very much.